All right, I'm gonna make my tea real quick before I go. Just putting some hot water in there. And then I'm gonna mix it up. And so I'll just down that really quick before I go, so I have a little bit of energy from the soy milk and the tea. Okay. I'm gonna get my boiling water. Put some water in there. All right, so my tea. That I brought from home. I'm gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon here. Mix that up. Put some milk in. Ugh, I hate when it splashes like that. You gotta turn it around. Oh, that was probably too much. Now I'm gonna put the boiling water in so it doesn't cook the tea. There we go. Perfect. Oh, so good. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like home. Aw, here's my matcha tea. So yum. Okay. Oops, I should have turned the camera the other way. I'm gonna down this before I go to the gym. See ya. Okay, I just got done working out. And I gotta hustle, take a shower, and get out of here because I only have an hour and 15 minutes before checkout. So I'm not hungry right now. I had my tea right before I went, which had soy milk and protein and stuff. I'm not hungry, only eating when I'm hungry, stopping when I'm full. So I'm gonna wait till I'm hungry. I imagine that will be pretty shortly. But I had planned on having my oatmeal, and I could still do that even on the road because I have to take all my stuff with me, obviously. But what I'm thinking I want to do, because I'm having lunch with my mom probably around 2:30 or 3. I'll be hungry for lunch, which will be around 11:30-ish Vegas time. Not having had breakfast, of course. But what I was thinking was to tide me over before that. I'm going to go to that juice place that I really wanted to go to, get some fresh juice, some vegetable juice, and then that will hold me over for an hour probably, and then I'll be able to go to Whole Foods with my mom. So that I think will work really well. And then after Whole Foods, I'm gonna go straight to my brother's house, and hopefully we're all just fending for ourselves for food. That way I still have some salad left over from what I made at home to bring that I was gonna have today, so that'll be a perfect tiny little meal when I get there. I'll throw some tahini and vinegar on there again because I'm gonna bring my tahini and vinegar with me to Whole Foods. And yeah, so that's the plan, and I think that will work for weight loss. I did 4.5 miles on the treadmill, which is exactly what I wanted to do, so that I can make up for only doing, because my plan is to do 3 miles a day, walking or running, but usually walking, because I'm a baby. And I only did 1.5 miles yesterday, so I added 1.5 miles today, which was perfect. I had just enough time for it. This is all great. I'm feeling so good. Yeah, so that's the plan, and I think it'll be pretty easy to stick with it. The only thing I need to figure out is how to work out tomorrow, because let's see, tomorrow, what is tomorrow? Thursday. Tomorrow's Thursday. How to work out on Thursday and Friday and Saturday morning before I go to the wedding, because my brother lives in a town that's not super safe. So I'm not sure. I'll talk to them and see what they think, but I'm not sure if it's safe to be walking 3 miles I really don't know their neighborhood very much, so we'll have to kind of see how that goes. And if I can't walk, I'm not really sure what I'll do. They probably know a gym. Maybe I can go get a guest pass or something. I'm really not wanting to change my exercise schedule because it's been working so well with weight loss. But also sometimes you just can't get it done. Yeah, so the next couple days is going to be a little iffy. The other thing that is a consideration is the whole reason I'm going is so I can see the babies. I think I'm fine. I don't think I'm sick at all. So I'm going to see them, but I'm going to be up with them all night, you know, taking care of them and feeding them and stuff. So I'm going to be exhausted during the days on purpose, but I only have to do it for 3 days. So working out might not be super fun anyhow. We'll see. I'll just check in with you and let you know how it goes, but I have to make sure to remember to get some greens at Whole Foods before I go over, so I can have my salads while I'm over there too. Of course I can go grocery shopping there too, but it's easier since I'm already going to Whole Foods. Might as well pick up some stuff. So got to get my greens for salad for the next few days, and then yeah, and then I'm coming back here to where my mom lives for a wedding on Saturday, and then I go home the next day. So, and I got to figure out what to do that next day, because usually we go out to a restaurant for brunch ahead of time, but they don't really have the salads that I'm having here. So maybe we just hang out at my mom's place and I do a salad there or something. We'll see. Okay, that's it for now. So I remembered I have to take my pills, my cancer stuff, and then also my supplements. Let's see, what day is today? It's Wednesday, I think. So I'm going to take these, and then I'm also just going to have a few nuts with them so that I can help with the fat-soluble vitamins absorption. I always take the cancer ones first. And the antidepressant. And I take the rest. Take 3 at a time usually. And the only thing I'm missing is my DHA, because it doesn't travel really well. I used to put it in little capsules to take with me, but I didn't do that this time. And then I have some nuts here. I want the other nuts I have, which are I put them here. Oh no. I have to find them because they're not salted. Hold on. Found them. I brought these. This was just regular almonds, and then a bagged mix of I forget what it was called, but it just had cranberries. Oh, I think those were salted too. Darn. Well, let's have a little bit. And then I also had bananas and apples too. So if I get hungry before I see my mom, or before I have the juice, I'll just have some bananas. I can tell some of these are the raw ones that I brought. Let's pick those out. Okay, time for shower. All right, success. Found this place in East Grand Rapids. Wonderful. Got a juice, all organic, you guys, fresh, cold press. And then I picked up a few more green ones for the next few days. I got a turmeric type shot. And then I also got an elderberry shot. So these are good until the 9th, the 10th, or the 11th. So should be good. I'm really excited. This is such a cool area as well. There's lots of like little stores and shops, and the weather's just ridiculous. Look at the sure. It's so pretty around here. So I got some time to kill before I hook up with my mom. And the weather is stupid. If you're in the sun, it's a little bit warm, but it's like 75 or 80 or something. It's just ridiculous. It's so good. So I'm just gonna enjoy myself. I got everything with me. I'm gonna go with my mom. I forgot my shoes for the wedding, so I did get my shoes. I went to Shoe Carnival, got a pair of shoes that'll work. I got my juice. I'm feeling good. Taking care of myself first and foremost. First priority, any vacation of mine, is to take care of myself. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. Number one priority at home, number one priority on vacation, doesn't matter. Number one, take care of myself. So that's what we're doing. I got some ice. I'm gonna put this juice in my little cooler that I brought. So hopefully it'll be fine while I'm in the car for most of the day. And then when I get to my brother's house, I'll throw it in the fridge. Yeah, so that's that. Feeling so good, you guys. When you take care of yourself first, there's just no other concerns. All the other concerns float away, right? About weight and all that. It just goes away. So good stuff. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Hey guys. All right, so I got out for a nice walk today. Just across from my brother's neighborhood is this beautiful, beautiful neighborhood here. These beautiful houses. Oh, it was so nice to walk here. I did about 4 miles, and I've decided that I'm gonna do one more night here, and then I'm gonna take a night in where my mom lives at a hotel, so I can have one full night of good rest. And then the next day I've got a wedding to go to, so that might be a late one, I'm not sure. And then the next day I leave. So I feel so good. The night went really well with the little ladies. They were really well behaved and they slept well, and you know, for infants. And I got some good sleep, and now I'm gonna do that for one more night tonight and then take off. So I'm headed back to my brother's now to eat a ton of food. All I had was my matcha tea so far, so I'm planning the whole like salad meal right now. I'm not gonna have oatmeal again. I don't need it. It's already like 4 p.m. here. And my hunger's been not super strong lately, which is good. I think that's just natural when you get tons and tons of nutrients. So I have a bunch of things I'm gonna eat though. I'm gonna have a huge salad, I'm gonna have a juice, and I'm also gonna eat the leftover from many days ago, if it's still good, the water saute I had. So I think it'll be fine, we'll see. And if not, then I'll just eat a bunch of vegetables because I have a bunch, and probably some of that hummus, so, okay.